how to leave a Life360 circle. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can leave a Life360 circle, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically leave a Life360 circle, you just have to go ahead and then launch the Life360 app. Now first of all, from the very top of this drop down menu, just make sure that you select the correct circle that you want to leave. So if this is a circle that I want to leave, I will select that circle. Then from here, from the top left, you can see the gear icon. Just tap the gear icon and go to the option that says circle management here. Once you go to circle management, if you scroll down, you'll find this option here that says leave circle. So you can just tap the leave circle button, tap the yes option if you would like to leave that circle. This way you can go ahead and then leave a Life360 circle. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.